Dream cars, right? Because you gotta be able to dream. But you gotta be able to touch it. Okay? You gotta be able to feel it. You gotta be able to smell it. Because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find the picture of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Dravis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If it, anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell because then they know what's missing. So a new thing that I call it in the middle, I call it a mystery buy. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, oh yeah. So they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between a minute.
Alright, so I got them. Share my screen. So I can be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?